I'm starting off here logged into my account and my team, and I am on the shop tests page looking at all 535 tests that are available within my account. If I click all filters and I look here 535, I'll see the option for pay later kits. And if I turn pay later kits on, 34 kits in my account are available with the pay later option. Now, before I go any further into the kind of operations or use of a pay later testing kit, let me tell you a little bit about why SimpleLab Teams use pay later kits. First, it makes it very simple with the pay later kits to ready a large inventory of sampling kits on hand for upcoming jobs. You can have something like 10, 20, 50 times the number of kits in your truck at a much lower cost. And when you need them, and only when you need them, do you incur the bulk of the analytical cost when you ship them in. So it's very easy with the pay later kits to have a large number of sampling kits at the ready for when they're needed. This obviously reduces the upfront costs by deferring the analytical fee or the testing fee only to when you're prepared to send that sample into the lab. So instead of spending, let's say, $300 up front, you're spending $27 up front. And when it's time to send in that sample to the lab, that analytical fee will get charged during the activation process. This makes it easier to move faster between sites because you don't need to find the location that needs the sample, go back to the computer, request the sampling materials, wait 2 or 3 days for the sampling materials to arrive, and then collect your sample. You can move more quickly between site visits without needing to wait on a new order. Obviously, this also helps with the simplifying of your budgeting and your cash flow and your workflow across multiple properties or projects or clients. So, teams use pay later kits because they really improve the cash flow and the operations and the speed of collecting samples and sending them into the lab for testing. Now I would like to show you how pay later kits work. So let's return to the shop page. You'll see these pay later kits here. They're all in yellow. And when you choose one of them, let's say the drinking water test level 1 bacteria, pay later version, it's there in the title, and you scroll down, you'll see there's two prices. $27 pays for the kit itself, gets it shipped to you. And if you order 20 of them, you'd be paying 27 times 20. 5. I'm not going to click it 20 times. I'll click it 5 times. Yeah, $135 gets you 5 kits in your hand. Each one of them will be activated when you're collecting your sample, and it is then that we will charge the balance of $175 for the analysis for the sampling kit. You pay the $27 per kit when you add this to your cart and check out. You pay the $175 activation when it is time to activate your sample and send it into the laboratory. So you can hold this kit having only spent $27 for several months at a time before needing to pay the full activation fee, the full analytical fee when you send it into the laboratory. Now, that upfront payment, that pay later fee, is going to include all of the same kit materials and shipping that you get with any other SimpleLab testing kit. So there's no change in the materials, there's no change to the experience. The activation payment is what you're paying for lab analysis only when you collect your sample and ship it into the laboratory. This is available, this pay later functionality is available for many popular kits, but as I showed you at the beginning of the video, not all kits yet have a pay later function. And if you see a kit that you wish had a pay later function, please just simply reach out to the team and we can create a pay later sampling kit for you. I'll also note by scrolling down a little bit on the page here that I have some kits that are standard kits pay later, some are rush kits pay later. So just because it's a rush test does not mean there isn't a pay later availability. So again, if you have a particular kit that you don't see with the pay later function that you want as a pay later, please reach out to the team. You can click down here below the chat function, or you can email hello@gosimplelab.com and request the sampling kit that you want turned into a pay later testing kit. So ordering is pretty straightforward. It's just like ordering anything else on SimpleLab. You can come into the product page, you add it to your cart, put as many in there as you want, and you will check out as always with the same checkout process. Nothing is changing there. You're just paying less up front. If a kit is shipped without activation, so If you get a sampling kit in the mail and you have it in the back of the truck and you start using them, you're going to need to pay for each one before it ships out. If you fail to activate a kit, that analytical cost is going to be automatically charged when the lab receives the sample. In most cases, it is the credit card you have on file in your team settings up here, which will be charged that activation fee. You see here, I don't have a payment method set up because this is a demonstration account, but your payment method would be here, and it is this payment method that is charged for these pay later kits. Any and all activation instructions will always be included inside of your sampling kit. So, and it doesn't change the process or the flow very much at all. It's very easy to activate your sample, and that activation fee will be charged automatically. A couple other notes that are useful to know. Pay later kits carry the SimpleLab Standard 1-year expiration unless materials require otherwise. If you have questions about that, just ask the team, or you can look at the product page. And finally, again, a reminder that if you can't find the kit you need in the pay later format, please email us, hello@gosimpelab.com, and we will work to make that pay later kit available for you on your team account. If you have any questions or concerns or interest in pay later functions, please message us or leave a comment in the section below, and we will get back to you very quickly. Thank you very much.